expect a high energy, a really down-to-earth approach to all things technical, but all things industry. I think the partnership is probably one of the best things that I love about CalcuQuote, is seeing them for the first time 9 years ago and seeing where they are today at their 10-year anniversary. Just impressive. Come and spend the time. It's worth the investment, not only for what you learn from the CalcuQuote team, but what you learn from other folks in the industry that are living the same pain points that you're living.
I have never seen such a great staff that gets engaged and buys into your success. I've been in the industry for 20 years, and I was really in the trenches day to day. And then we were able to bring some people to the leadership team, and they said, you need to go out and figure out what you don't know. You get some synergy with the other EMS companies who are like-minded. So learn how they've tackled problems, kind of get ahead of where we are and where we want to be, and learn from their mistakes rather than us. And then hopefully, we're also, through conversations and relationships, be able to add value to other people as well.